Good morning. This is English video session for class 10. We are in the story Diary of Anne Frank by Anne Frank from the book First Flight. Okay, and we have seen quite a lot of work regarding the early childhood of Anne Frank. She's 13-year-old girl. Now we are in the way when how she was in her classroom. She tells about the teacher who Mr. Keesing, Keesing, Keesing. What subject did he teach? He taught, Mr. Keesing taught mathematics. He did not like Anne Frank because she talks too much in the class, disturbing, always talking. So he gave a subject, an essay subject, what? A chatterbox. And he asked her to write a essay on chatterbox. Okay, ठीक है. So she was thinking, how can I write an essay on chatterbox? But she did not speak anything. She will just put her notebook. She will write the topic in her notebook and she puts it into the bag. Okay. So after going home, she completed all her homework. And she was wondering what to do. At that time, she took the notebook and her fountain pen also and started thinking about the topic. Okay, it is whatever be the thing, anybody would try to have between words what the trick was to come, convincing arguments of the necessity of talking. So now since it is chatterbox, you have to make your answer convincing that talking is also necessary. So she wrote 3 pages to Mr. Keesing has assigned her, and she was satisfied. She even argued that the student's trait. It is student's trait means what? It is the nature of the students to talk, and it would never be a cure. It cannot be cured. So the mothers also talked, and it is all inherent traits. Talking is inherent and it cannot be changed. Mr. Keesing had a good laugh at my argument, but he reads the arguments that it is important. Chatting is all chattering is not very bad. It is good to talk. There is a need, in fact it is a necessity of talking, and one should, this is all the student's trait, and one should not be kept under control always, and these cannot be cured because the mothers to talk as much as the girls do, and these are all inherited traits. On reading all these things, what happened? Mr. Keesing could not control his laughter. Okay. Then what happened? He gave another title, and now what is the title of the essay to write is Incorrigible Chatterbox. What was the title given? That is the something that cannot be corrected at all. It will remain. It cannot be corrected. It will remain bad always. It's called Incorrigible Chatterbox, and he asked her to write. Okay. Okay, so Anne Frank has a punishment for taking it, and she had to write the essay titled Quack Quack Quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. So the class glowed and the children all laughed. She also laughed, and Chatterbox title was something unique, and it was, she couldn't control her laughter nor to her friends. So she took the help of a friend whom he wanted to try to she wanted to write an essay on what the topic he gave, and which is ridiculous. It is making ridiculous on her own self, but she made sure that it is not her who is ridiculous, but it is the person who has asked her to write is ridiculous. So she wrote in such a manner that it is only the person is ridiculous. So she finishes her friend helps her to write the verse. Okay, then she finishes and it was beautiful. It was about a mother duck and a father swan with 3 baby ducklings who were bitten to death by a father because they quacked too much. Okay, because they quacked too much. So how did the story go? Luckily Mr. Keesing took the joke in the right way. Okay, he read the poem to the class, then adding his own comments and following the class as well. So she was allowed to talk, and after that he did not give any extra assignments. But what happened is Mr. Keesing always made jokes on these days when he had given the first topic to write, when he was given the second topic to write. Always he was making fun of all these things. Okay. Yes. See here, we can see after 2 years of hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp where Anne Frank died of typhus. What is typhus? Typhus is a type of fever. A fever that is having high temperature, headache, and it is contagious if it spreads fast. Okay, this was very much prevalent in the concentration camp. Her sister will die, then she dies. Okay. Then they were transported to the concentration camp where Annie Frank dies of typhus, and her sister Margot also dies of typhus. Okay, the only person in the entire group who survived was Otto Frank. Yes. And this diary was been saved. Okay, and then since it is a unique record, what is it? Say unique record. Okay, he wanted to have the thing published. Okay. Yes. Find the word from the vast passage which means leave one's own country to live in another country. You have your own country, but you go to some other country. What is the meaning of it? Yes, emigrated. Emigrated. Okay, look at the spelling. Emigration. So you leave your country, one's country, and live in another country. You have to get the emigration certificate. Do you know all these things? Yes. When we go to the other country, we do get emigration certificate. Anne feels that her father was most dash father she had seen. Adorable father. Why? He was always there for her. When compared to her mother, she loved her father so much. He was always there for her, listening to her. Okay, most adorable. For her, he is the most adorable fellow. Okay, so always she used to go and tell what all her difficulty to her father. Is that clear? Yes. What's the name of the father? Her father? Otto Frank. You remember? It is in his office. They had their hiding. That is Otto Frank's office building. They had their secret annex. Okay. So this entire thing, the next episode is about the story of what happened in the school. There are a lot of things are there, but for us only these two are taken and given to explanation and to reading. It's better if you get time, take the entire novel. It's good that all of you should read about that entire diary. Okay children, let's go on with some more questions. I stop here. Please read and come the whole thing so that it is easy for the class to continue. Okay. Thank you children.